My name is Eric Gattenholm, co-founder and chief executive officer of Cellink, based in Gothenburg, Sweden. We are the first bioink company in the world. The goal when founding Cellink was to change the world of medicine. It was as simple as that. We've been able to base our technology on simple, readily available 3D printers. Bioprinting is a technology that allows you to print human cells together with a bioink material. The bioink is then a biomaterial that the cells can thrive within. They need a material around them that allows them to truly grow like they would inside of a human body. With our printer, you can print, for instance, human ears or noses, or you could print small squares, and those cubes are then filled with human skin cells or liver cells or heart cells. And then those cubes can be used to test new medication or the drugs during the development process.
Many of the companies don't realize that they need to be born global from day one, because the market in Sweden is very limited. We are just 10 million people. If you actually going to succeed, you need to enter new markets quick.
We started the company in January 2016, and already 10 months later we listed on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange. We understand that customers are everywhere, and we have to think our businesses that way. The structure that's been printed with human cells can be used already right now for research use. So when you're developing a new pharmaceutical drug or cosmetic product, you can use this printed tissue to see how human tissue would react on a new drug. Mainly the customers that are using this today are researchers at academic institutions and companies who want to utilize this in their product development process. We opened our US headquarters in Boston, and that's actually in the Cambridge area where Harvard and MIT and a few other large and famous institutions are located. The reason for that is because it's the employee spillovers, essentially. You have a lot of pharmaceutical companies there, and being in that area, we have the ability to pick some of the most brilliant minds in the world. I think that the Asian markets has been more challenging for us to crack, because I believe that there is a cultural difference that we need to get into. And I think that having sales representative or sales executives or distributors, that is something that's been really helpful. You know, there's small things like, do you bring a gift when you visit a customer? How do you provide your business card? How do you pronounce names? How do you behave in a business setting? Who do you talk about? Do you talk about your family, or do you talk straight about business? And those are things, to me, that at least to make a huge difference. Social media and website is essential for the business. I think that the majority of our customers find us through our websites, and many of the purchases and the commerce that's being done for the company is being done through our websites. So I think building a strong internet presence is of course, it's an important part of growing the company. You have the early market, which Cellink is operating in, which is printing human tissues that can be used for developing drugs or cosmetic products. And that can help us reduce the need of animal trials. And then you have the future market, which is kind of like the gold standard and the holy grail in the industry of printing human organs for implantation. That's 15, 20 years away.